One of the 15 GOP contenders hoping to earn your vote for President of the United States. Florida Senator Marco Rubio is making a stop in Council Bluffs at this hour. This is a live look at Uncle Buck's Grill at the Bass Pro Shop, where Rubio is holding a meet and greet. Now, Rubio focused the first part of his speech on the economy, targeting jobs, opportunities, and education, saying students are paying too much for college, and in some cases, graduates aren't getting jobs in their degrees and are unable to pay back their loans right away. He says he will propose a bill that will help eliminate this problem.
And here's what it says. Before you take out a student loan, you have to tell that student how much people make when they graduate from that school with that degree.
Now, Rubio also talked about making Americans safe one day after the tragedy in Tennessee. Now, you can watch his speech live online at KMTV.com. KMTV Action 3 News will have complete coverage coming up tonight at 5 and 6. And later today, Marco Rubio will join all the other Republican candidates as one united party. Representatives for all 15 competing for the Republican nomination will participate in the United Iowa Rally in eastern Iowa. The event, held by the Iowa Republican Party, aims to show the candidates' commitment to the party's success. And there will be a similar sight on the Democratic side. The 5 people running for the Democratic nod will participate in the Iowa Democratic Party's Hall of Fame celebration. The event is held at the Cedar Rapids Convention Center. This is the first time all 5 candidates will share a stage.